I think, number one, trade is becoming a lot faster and a lot more agile. And thankfully, that is because of massive improvement in terms of technology. The other topic is, of course, safer trade. Nowadays, and again, enabled by technology, nowadays it's becoming more and more impossible for people who want to use international trade to launder money or the proceeds of financial crime for them to achieve that. The third big theme for me is, of course, south-to-south trade. And I think it is now an unavoidable consequence of regional consolidation. I mean, we've been talking about the BRICS, for example, now the BRICS Plus model, which is in itself an amazing platform. The role that the UAE in particular is having in fostering these conversations is quite outstanding. Global trade should grow. It is a natural phenomena. But of course, if we don't leverage it through available trade financing facilities, then we're not exploring its full potential. The supply of trade finance has been short of the demand level for many, many years now. And unfortunately, that situation is worsening. If we do nothing about it, it will continue to widen without a shadow of a doubt. I believe over 10 years ago already, the gap was measured an astonishing $1.4 trillion dollars, if I'm not mistaken. We all thought that was too big of a number to digest back then. Now we're at $2.5 trillion. So it's not showing any signs of abating. And it needs to be addressed. And it's about creating solutions to overcome the issue. We've been trying for years that the private sector overcomes the risk appetite issues. It's not working. We do believe that the public sector needs to come into the fore and apply some politically driven supply of trade finance, especially to tackle the heart of the problem, which is SMEs in emerging markets. So our goal, and we very much hope that the Global South in particular supports us with this. Our goal is to establish a platform, not just yet another talking shop. We need something more concrete than that. The problem calls for a big solution.